October 21st, 2022. We are here at the vessel Mental Floss. It's Dade with DS Diving Service. I'm going to show you the video after. She cleaned up pretty nice. Your transom zinc will need to be replaced next service, along with several of your trim tab sinks. Your shaft sinks are looking okay. You only have one per shaft now. You originally had two. Let's take a look and see how she's doing. I'm going to show you the transom zinc first. Most all of the zinc is gone. It's just mainly the plate left. Let's look at your trim tab zincs. They're not as bad as that, but they will need to be replaced also. That one's pretty decent. That is me not putting ash off of them so they can go the way they're supposed to. Some of this is really caked on. I will bring some Starbright hole cleaner next time. You have areas where the paint's thin, and then most of the areas it's not. Choosing DS Diving Service.